Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy LB back on another tutorial video. In this video I just want to show you how to create this kaleidoscope effect inside the Premiere Pro. This effect is especially most used in music videos. Just now you can use it too. It's very simple. So now let's jump on in Premiere Pro and let's see how it is. So yes guys, I'm going to apply the adjustment layer on this clip. So now clicking on new item, let me add adjustment layer. So let me drag it here above this clip. Okay, so now come here on effect, then search the effect called replicate, then apply it here on this adjustment layer guys. So now guys, as you see here, I receive 4 different images. So now because the count is 2, when I add 3, you can just add 3. You see how it is, and then I just want 2. So now after this guys, I'm going to add an opacity masking. So now click here on ellipse mask, and then guys, you see how it is. So now you have to click here on the invert. This is my main subject, so now I have to resize it. After this, come here to mask fader and then fade these edges of this main character. Okay, so let me increase the size again. Okay, so now, and then after this, I'm going to smooth this line between those, the clip which is above and down, okay, by using this opacity replicate mask. Then I'm going to use this icon for smoothing this line. I have to mask it, and then after this, come here to invert again and use this mask fader to smooth this line. Okay, so this is how the lizard is. And then after this guys, add another adjustment layer here guys. For adding my color, come here on effect and then search the effect called RGB curve, the curve, this one, RGB curve, and then put it here on this adjustment layer, and then come back here on this blue. I just want to use this one. So this is how we can make this effect, simple effect, in the Premiere Pro guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave the comment down below and let me know what you think. Like, share and comment. See you next video. Peace.